Welcome, folks! Let's learn how to make KFC-style crispy chicken. Add 1 tablespoon tikka masala in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon ginger powder. Add 1 tablespoon garlic powder. Add 1½ tablespoon crushed chili. Now squeeze 1 lemon and add juice into the bowl. Add 2 tablespoon ketchup. Add ½ tablespoon salt. Now mix all the spices. Add a bit of food color. Add a bit of white vinegar. Now marinate chicken leg pieces for half an hour. Now add ½ tablespoon salt into a bowl. Add 300-gram wheat flour, made into the bowl. Add a bit of oregano. Now take some water in a different bowl. Take out your marinade chicken. Now your chicken pieces into wheat flour, as you can see in the video. After that, dip it in the water bowl. Now dip it again into wheat flour, maida. Now add into the fry pan and cook it on low flames. Now follow the same process. Make sure to cook it properly. Take out and enjoy your crispy chicken. Here's the final dish. Subscribe and like for more yummy recipe.